Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. So this is Chetan and this is a quick video on this new interesting product that's called the Goki Stride. This was recently launched with the MRP of 1199 rupees, but I got it on offer on Flipkart for about 700. So I thought let's try it out. It might be worth the price, but this is not the regular step tracker or your fitness tracker. It's something that would be placed on your shoe. So that's different. That's something new again. You might not see any of those trackers on anyone's shoes, but this might change things a bit. You don't have to wear it on your wrist or anywhere else. So this Goki Stride comes with a 3-month complimentary plan. So for the set of features, first one is this track activity itself, and on the other side you can see that this has the Health Locker, Karma, and Goki Cash. Goki Cash and Karma are things about how good are your achievements, and based on that you get rewarded. And for the tracker activities, it tracks activities and steps, and you can get up to 180 days of battery life with that coin battery. There's a replaceable battery that can be replaced whenever the battery is down. These are some of the features after that, and there's also the service part, which I was talking about. That's personal coach and doctor on call, expert advice, and the diagnostics. And the rewards is about Health Store and Goki Cash. Goki Cash can be redeemed, and also there is Karma. Karma can be actually earned through the number of steps that you walk and based on your activity, and then you can donate that Karma for good karma. That's it. So this is the Goki Stride. Let's quickly open the box. This is the Stride itself, and this is such a small tracker. This would be sitting on your shoe, and this tracker is what is going to track all your steps and activities. So apart from the tracker, in the box what you get is these things. Firstly, a quick guide for you to search for the tracker and how to set it up and how to place the battery inside the tracker. Next one is this coin battery. This is what is going to get about 180 days of battery life, claimed by the company. Apart from that, the same battery information here, and this is the 3 months activation code. So the final thing is something similar to the guitar pick, and this is to remove the tracker from its place. Here this comes with this pick, and you can just place it here and you can lift it up to remove the tracker from its place. This goes just below the tracker, and this is where your shoelace would be. So this is inserted with the shoelace here, and then you can after the shoelace is placed, you can just press this here, and this is how the tracker is placed on your shoes. So let's pull it out, and this is the place where you can insert the battery. So upon lifting this up, you see this area for the battery placement, and this is the battery that we will be placing here. I'll be just activating this right now to show you whether it's getting easily detected or not. And after placing the battery back, these are a few sounds that you'll hear when you properly place this, and placing this back into this area. So this should basically be on your shoe, and you can set it up before or after placing it there, so there's no worry about that. Now there is this app called as the Goki app itself, and this Goki app is what is going to help set up the tracker for you. So once you're logged in, I have logged in already, and if you go to the family area and then towards the settings, you see that there is apps and devices, and here we already had a tracker being used earlier, so that is what is shown there. I can connect devices. The first one is Goki Stride. Tapping on to link Goki Stride to your account, existing Goki tracker would be unlinked. So there's only one device can be linked from a device. That's okay. There's an internal server error that is being thrown here, so I'm not sure what is happening, but it's not letting us connect to the tracker for now. Right now it isn't connecting it. So after a couple of tries, again it did. So set up your Stride is a unique shoe tracker which is easy to use, as you can clip it on to any shoe and count your steps and calories burned. Set up now. Upgrade by activation code. So this is the code. I'll be entering that right now because for the next 3 months I'll be actually using this tracker on my shoe, and I'll be tracking the steps to see whether this works or not. So I'll be activating this right now. Your Goki subscription has been activated and it's Goki Family Care and it's valid up to 18th October 2019. So that's 3 months. So this is a basic plan. You don't have coaching here and you need to upgrade to get coaching. That's fine. So I have inserted the battery already. Bluetooth is enabled. Okay, we have enabled the Bluetooth now. Your phone is connected to the internet. Yeah, location services are enabled. That means it might be using the location information from the phone, which might be using phone's battery, and that should again be okay because the tracker should be giving you more battery life than you want it to. Keep your phone and the stride close to each other, and that's what it is. So select the device ID from your stride from below. Yeah, this is the one. We don't have any other devices around anyway. I don't need to confirm it, but it would be on the box. This is the ID that is shown here. Set your daily step target and then you're done. So the tracking is started now. The device is connected. And after a few days, after a couple of weeks or a month, I'll be doing the final review of this small Goki Stride to let you know whether it is actually good or not. And when you compare this with the Xiaomi's smart shoes, whether this option would be better for your regular shoes or whether you should still go with the Xiaomi smart shoes if you want to do the regular activity tracking. So this was the Goki Stride, the quick setup and the quick guide to let you know what it offers. It just offers the basic step tracking and all, and based on the step tracking it would again let you know about the calories part. You don't get the coaching option on this trial period. It's about 3 months of period, but there's no coaching. You'll have to upgrade if you want that coaching part. So this was the Goki Stride, this small activity tracker from Goki. And interesting enough, we haven't seen other companies coming up with solutions like this, but this is a good one. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in our next video.